Here we are. Swiss model 1911 Infantry Rifle, long version. These were produced from 1911 to 1919. After that, they made only the carbine version until Switzerland decided to replace the Schmidt Rubins with the K31. This is, pardon me from not saying that from the start, this is a Schmidt Rubin. A fully modern Schmidt Rubin firing the GP11, the high-power GP11 round, 7.5 by 55 sways. And these are reputed to be very, very accurate rifles. I must confess I haven't taken mine to the range yet. Purchased this from Classic Firearms. And I wanted to improve on my original video. Here is the butt and some tiny dings in there. The rubber charger handle is perfect, no cracks in it at all. My rifle was made in 1915. Take a look at the stock here. Not too shabby. This is a very fine specimen I received from Classic Firearms, to whom I shall be eternally grateful. Just a tiny ring of bluing wear at the muzzle, but otherwise the bluing is quite nice. Now, if we can get a better view of, sorry, that's not part of the rifle there, that pink thing. There you go. There you go. This Schmidt Rubin has an absolutely glorious side picture. I am very impressed by it. I live so far away from the only outdoor shooting range available to me that I'm in the megalopolis of Washington, D.C. and its environs, and that's the problem. But take a gander at this 1911 rifle, 101 years old at this juncture. Is this not a beautiful specimen, I ask you? Is this not a beautiful specimen? And, pardon my cinematographic amateurism, here's the muzzle. Looks quite nice. If I could get a picture of the bore for you, which I'm sorry I can't. The bore is absolutely pristine, beautiful. Sight picture is gorgeous. And my 1911 Swiss came with a sling. Nice, sturdy, if somewhat old, 101-year-old, I guess, slightly mildewed in spots, but sturdy leather sling. It's quite serviceable. I wonder if it'll last another 100 years. Don't know. But there you go. Here's my Schmidt Rubin from Classic Firearms, and $300. My, all matching numbers, by the way. And $300. That's a steal. That is a steal. And look a couple years down the road, and you'll maybe be wondering why you didn't get one. if I can get out to the shooting range with a camera, I will demonstrate her virtues in putting bullets on the target. But I can tell you, the sight picture is just absolutely tight and better than the sight picture on my K31. So, and look at this beautiful knob here. There's this rubber knob, 101 years old, not the slightest sign of cracking. They were known, some of them, to dry up and crack and so on. Mine is just pristine, like straight out of the factory. And so I am very pleased with my purchase from Classic. I've also got an M39 from them, which is right now a Sacco M39, which is in pieces, and I'm getting the cosmoline off and so on, but I'll make a video of that pretty soon. And yep, nice piece of work. Thank you, Switzerland. Thank you, Schmidt Rubin and Classic Firearms. All right.